boy. Snug. I think it's too windy outside for me to go for a joyride. Poor Snuggler. Be a nice day to just sit in the window. Hi. Meow for the camera? It's too windy to meow. Snugs, where'd you go, Snugs? Where are you? Yeah. Sweetie. I wish my keeper could turn the clock back so it would be spring and summer again. I'm not looking forward to fall. It's gonna be really cold. Today is probably the last nice day of the year, but it's really windy out. My big brother Bungo, he's really old. All he does is sit in his circuit bed. Hi, Bungo. I think you're taking me to the vet tomorrow. You got another thing coming. There's your little sister, Bungo. Hi. Hi. Hi, Snug. Well? Oops. Whoops. This is my catnip cactus pillow. I wish I could go to Arizona for the winter. I want to go to Arizona to escape the cold. Wow, you're pretty. Maybe my eyes wouldn't run as much. Listen to that howling wind. I'm scared. Poor Snuggler.